Oh, there's a fish. That was a snag for a second. Oh. You are heavier than you look.
Oh my gosh, there is fish in there.
Yeah. Yeah. There's what it was eating. Hold on, bud. Hold on. There you go, bud. Wow. It's like a huge little dart minnow. Gonna be a quick uncut. We got one fish, so we'll post an uncut. Not a bad smallie, not a big one by any means, but not bad. That's one heck of a fish, if it were a fish. Got out. He hit kind of light. I honestly thought I was bumping along when that fish hit. And a little carp. Or no, that's a sucker. Get this one back. Let's see. Let's see what's attached to that, if anything. Old cinder blocks in here. I think I'm good inside something. Oh, there we go. just going over rocks. Feels good though. Feels like something's trying to bite, but I'm pretty sure it's just going over rocks. Let's see. One more cast over this way. Well, caught the river again. Got out of the river very luckily. Alright, I know I don't have much camera left and I don't have much lunch break left, so that being said, let's see if we can add a lure rescue to this. Have an end to it down here. It's not likely, but it is possible. It's just a line in there. Oh no, there it is. There's a couple things in this tree. Very carefully step down here. I can reach it. Oh, it's wrapped good. No, I don't want to mess with it. Get wet. This will not be a lure rescue. So let's do 2 more casts from here and then get out of here. Possibly with our own lures. Give it one more, and this might cost a lure, but I feel like there's one more fish out here waiting for a bite. Here's the drop off right there. I'm gonna try to hit it, and we'll call it after that. I got right where I needed to be. Wasn't right where it should have been. Well, that's kind of concerned about. We probably gonna break this one. Ooh, get it. I think we broke it. Yeah, we broke it. Alright. Alright, well. Yeah. Not a bad day. Alright, let's turn this into a uncut little fun time on the river. Pike season opens Saturday and I can throw my bigger lures. I'm pretty excited about that. The rat and the bass are going out for sure. And definitely all next week, so fun times are coming. Alright guys, and my voice might be back by this weekend too. Alright guys, until we meet again, fish on my friends. Fish on.